water slides?
Okay, let's go.
Yep. We parked on the first level, and then we're going to the shuttle to take us to Volcano Bay. We're gonna go with Grandma and Pops. Hi, Pops. Morning, kind of. We're gonna go on the buses.
Everyone's first time.
Yep, everyone's first time. It seems like they have a lot of shuttles, so it's really quick.
Look at that.
Whoa.
Look at the volcano.
You see the volcano?
What's that?
Yeah. So we go to the concierge. We got a cabana. We're gonna go get our spot. The wait times are right now 20 minutes, not bad.
That 9 steps to the top and it's 8 seconds to come down.
I wanna do it. We're here. I wanna do it.
You guys have
There's the wave pool.
the only icy shop, you said?
Okay, only icy. Look, it says Harmon family.
I love
Thank you
this.
so much.
That's why you're in the corner. It's nice and cool.
Yeah.
Right next to the sand, the kids can play. Yeah. They could go right there in the first pool. The second pool they cannot go into because it's a part of the ride and it's very deep.
Oh, I see this.
I see this.
Yeah.
It's a 10-foot pool on the other side.
They have croissants,
You could have one of it.
cookie,
Grandma's gonna have a
muffins,
banana.
fruits,
Wow.
grapes. We're gonna have a quick snack and we're going to go on some slides. Over by our cabana, we got a corner cabana. They have on one side a little play area, and on the other is like a slide, so we can't go to the other side. So they give us a little refrigerator and they stock it up with some water. We got towels and a locker so our stuff is safe. And then we can order food, do the tapu, drinks, map, all this stuff, so we can pick a ride. And it's just convenient right from the cabana. I don't know what we're gonna get yet because I don't know this park. These are the appetizers. We're gonna try quite a few things here. Some sandwiches. There it is again. Coconut shrimp, and we're gonna try some desserts. And then one of the pros for a cabana is you can order from your server. Either text them or put your flag up, and then they will come and take your order.
Oh, it's so good.
Okay, there's a little kiddie pool by the cabanas. Our cabana's in the back there. All right. Ooh, ooh. It is so cold. Got you, buddy. Can you stand up?
No.
Yeah, you can stand up. Oh, look, pumpkin. Do you guys want to go down some slides?
Yeah.
Our cabana was on the left of the volcano. We were headed towards the back where the lazy river and the kiddie area are. Now this park is huge. It's over 27 acres, so you're going to be walking quite a bit.
Oh, we got 5 of us here. That one doesn't look so bad.
Volcano Bay has 17 attractions currently, over 20 slides because some of the attractions have multiple slides. There's a lazy river and then a fearless river. The fearless river is a lot more choppy, bigger rapids, so everyone is required to have a safety vest. This green one here is the most popular attraction, the aqua coaster, and it goes up and down with the power of magnets. Really cool. I would honestly suggest more than one day just because one day wasn't enough, at least for us.
Let's do that again.
That was fun.
Let's do that again.
He was like, we were going down it like halfway through. This was fun.
Grandma, do you want to try?
It was fun. It's just our turn.
She said yes.
Yeah, I think
Oh, it was so fun.
Going up. They like this one. This one's really cool. It's nice and tame, not too bad for the kids. Oh, you went on the other side. What the heck? I didn't catch you. I was waiting over here.
Oh, that was fun.
I think that's still show the fearless one. We're looking for the lazy river. She said it was in some sort of village. Okay, this is the lazy river. Look. See, that's a lot easier. This is the kiddie area. Yeah, we're gonna go there next, okay?
Now, I couldn't take my GoPro on the actual slides, but I can take it on the rivers and in the wave pool and also in the kiddie area.
So you can do it like this too. Just kind of like hang out. Oh no, get away! Stay with us. Walk. Look, there's another spray. Go over here.
Come here, buddy. Let's go.
Now that place looks fun too. That's the kiddie place. You get sprayed. Look, they're gonna spray us with water. Slide next to the kiddie area and the lazy river. So there's a lot of slides here. Oh look, there's some nice water slides right there for them. Whoa! I don't know. I don't think so. That's really nice. Oh shoot. So it looks like this volcano erupts. That's cool. And then they got stairs. They were escorting people on the lazy river over here. 2, 3, 4. At least 4 water slides. How do you do it? How do you do it? Oh, you just push. Look at that. Good job, buddy. Is that fun?
Yeah, I want to do it again.
Alright, go up.
Just to keep her feet straight.
I like how all the slides, like I told Mom, are all in the same area, so you know where they are. Yay! Is that fun? Look at that. Look at that smile. Okay. Oh, okay. Is Buddy Boy going on the purple too? There he is. Yay! All right. Let's see if she comes out here. Yay! You love the slides? All right. All right. That's cool. Was that fun?
The kids spent a good couple of hours in here. There's at least 5 slides, I believe. A bunch of stairs you can climb with water guns, just water basically spraying everywhere. And also some splash pads at the bottom. Now there is another kiddie area, but that's designed for smaller kids and we didn't go over there.
Oh, there he is! Hey, buddy boy! Yay!
Come on, get up!
Hi, buddy! This is where they were shooting people. Right there.
Gotta get a full bucket and then wait for somebody.
Anyone too? Fun stuff. This place is awesome. Alright, here's the wave pool. Oh look! You can see the people going through the tube. You see the people going through the tube?
Is it made out of water?
Yeah, it's glass and water, I think.
What?
It's our fiberglass. I know. Oh, that's the drone. It's because the waves are coming. Yeah, I know. It's just funny.
So I have to say this wave pool has some pretty strong waves. They were crashing up against me. So if you have little ones, just make sure they're good swimmers or be right next to them. The kids were not scared at all. I was a little worried at first, but they did really good, especially with their life jackets. But there are so many places to swim in this park, so if the waves aren't something you want to do, there is a bunch of little side pools, there's the lazy river, a bunch of little spots to swim in.
So this has a ride delay. Be prepared. You may not be able to get on it. We're trying to get on one of the most popular rides apparently, and you can only have one tapu tapu at a time. Unless it says ride now, which we learned the hard way. It said it was a 35-minute wait, so we went to go online and they said, nope, you have to have a tapu tapu.
There's no standby lines. It's all this. It's 145 minutes for this, whatever ride that we were on. It says return time now, so we can't go, but 145 minutes. So that still just means that you have to wait 145 minutes or longer to get on another ride. So you can't just go and get it.
You can't, it's not like Fast Pass where you can get a Fast Pass and then go and standby. You have to just, you know, get a tapu tapu at a time. We've only picked that one because I guess it was one of the more popular ones and we want to do it. But then we're gonna just try to be careful with the next selection. So, and we explore, this park is huge.
Yeah.
We didn't realize how big it was.
The kid area is worth it if you have children. It's worth that.
Yeah,
I mean, alone.
Yeah, it's definitely worth that.
It's huge.
There's a lot to do. It's just be aware that the slides, you might not be able to go on them unless you have the tapu tapu. It's almost 3 o'clock and you've got 90 minutes, 40 minutes, 50 minutes, 20 minutes. So it's almost like you can't get everything done in one day, unfortunately. Yeah, see, ride closed. That's the one we have a thing for. Enjoy. These are the kid areas. And then those are only a few minutes. But yeah, a lot of these other ones are a long wait. It says that it came back on, so you have to kind of pay attention to make sure what it says. It keeps counting it down, and then it'll say if it breaks down or if it comes back online. So let's go. How was the aqua racers?
It was fun. I liked how they used magnets to get you to go up the hill.
Boy, you feel it. Yeah, it was really cool. Poor Grandma. Grandma, she was screaming the whole time. It was awesome. We loved it, the kids loved it. I wish I could film on it, but it was awesome. That was a rush. I would come here just for that to make sure you get a pass, get a tapu tapu. Yeah, it was what, 2.5 hours all day. So I'm glad we went on it though, and the other ones are seeming to go down at least. At least we got to go on it. We got the cheese pizza. Let's see what else. Pop's got a Hawaiian pizza. This looks good.
That's their signature one, I think, right? Yeah.
Oh, that's the coconut shrimp, I think. Is that right?
Yeah.
It's got plantains too.
Okay. Beef mahi. Okay. That smells good. We got the ribs. We got the chicken sliders. Everything looks really good. How is the pizza? Good. All right. But I know they're starving. Okay. How's your Hawaiian pizza?
Very good. It's got the sweet and the spicy with the jalapenos, and it's not overwhelming either.
Okay. Yeah, it looks good.
It's a perfect mix.
Yeah, the jalapenos are not like hot. It's just
Overwhelming.
nice flavor.
How's the fish? Oh, I'm guessing good.
Water.
There you go. Sit down.
Water?
Water.
Is it spicy?
It's a little bit spicy.
Just a little.
Okay, well Grandma doesn't like spice and she likes it, so you like the fish?
Yeah.
Okay, alright.
Then you have like
Mahi. But yeah, it is a little spice.
Just a little.
Yeah, anything blackened is gonna have.
Yep.
It's Cajun
Oh,
spice.
I love the plantains. Those are always
Yeah,
good.
A little bit.
Those are good.
And these are the chicken sliders. I'll try the curry here. There's
like
good
it.
flavor.
So far, yeah, it is good.
Should fall off the bone.
Yeah, it's a little tough.
It is tough.
Should not be that way.
No, sweet.
Sweet.
Very sweet. Pulled pork.
Oh, pulled pork, that's right. Chef Rick, how was the food?
It was good. Rice was a little undercooked. Tolerable. The chicken sliders were tough though.
Yeah, the chicken was tough.
It's a good mixture of what they had on it, but they need to lighten up on. They don't need to cook the heck out of their chicken.
Yeah.
165, guys. 160.
So we got a pineapple upside down cake as well. They're small.
Yeah, they're teeny.
And the chocolate lava cake. I mean, they have a huge
it's like
plate.
First perspective.
Yeah. It's tiny. It's got a huge plate and a tiny little thing. So at least we're doing 2 more. Grandma's sawing away.
The pineapple's kind of
Yeah, that's true.
caramelized, so it makes it hard to cut. It's coconut. It's coconut.
Warm. Pretty good. Ooh, the lava. Lava's the winner.
Oh my god.
Lava's the winner. How was the lava cake, Grandma?
Holy crap. That was amazing.
That's probably the best thing here.
It was the best thing here, hands down. I would get that any nothing else.
Yeah, just come here for the lava cake, okay?
Come here with the lava cake. The chicken, don't come for the chicken.
No. Now, unless it's an off day, but it wasn't great for us,
It
so.
wasn't that great. But the mahi was good. And if I didn't mention it, the chocolate lava cake was awesome.
Just eat it.
Just eat it.
Just get it.
Just get it. Seriously, you need it in your life.
Yeah.
You need it.
Look at that. It's chocolate inside. Is that good? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. 4 o'clock, and the wait times have gone down except for this top one. But it's like 10 minutes, and joining time, 0 minutes, 10 minutes. And then the one we just went on, which was awesome, the Krakatoa, whatever, is right full because it was 150 minutes. So, and it's, closes in a couple hours. But it's definitely going down. So I'd say another pro is when you order your food, you can wait here, or you can actually go on a ride and come back and the food will be ready versus having to wait in a line and, get your food that way. Do you need a cabana? No, you don't have to. We paid about $250, but I've heard they can go up to $800, and we split with my family, so it wasn't as bad. But you don't need it. It's just fun to have, and it's convenient. If you're only going to come once, do it. If you're going to have a pass, then I would save your money and splurge buying stuff. This is right next to our cabana, and the kids are loving just this area too. Nice little area for them. Now this place is gorgeous. It's really fun. There's a lot of things to do for the kids. There's the wave pool, which it'll start drumming, and then big, strong waves come through. So there's the kiddie area. There is 2 different lazy rivers, one easy, one hard, and then there's a bunch of different slides. The kids had a ton of fun, and so did we. It looks like they have a little shop over here, volcano-based stuff. Oh, that's cute. Little some trunks for the kids. And then shirts. Some beach gear.
They had quite a few different shirts, some shorts, lots of swim trunks, swimsuits in case you forget. Now they have towels you can rent for $5 each, or you can purchase them as well as other things outside.
So leaving isn't too bad. They have several buses lined up. Yeah.
Stay up and catch the sky from Sky.
Why? Oh, because you want to go here again?